amigas, feliz día. Today is, I was gonna say Thursday, but it's not. It's Tuesday. So, mis amigas, aquí las traigo, las saludo en mi cuarto. So, it's a hot mess in here. Tengo que limpiar. Es un día de limpieza. Ya saben, mis amigas, que todos los días me la paso limpiando. Bueno, todos los días, but you know, I have my moments and I'm just like, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna just stay here and relax. And I'm gonna just go ahead and, you know, just take a breather, mis amigas, because sometimes we deserve it. Sometimes like cleaning can be so stressful and overwhelming. Well, at least for me, like if you do it daily. So just kind of breaking it down works best for me. So, aquí les saludo, mis amigas, and I hope you guys are having such a great day today because ahora les voy a enseñar. So, in there, tengo como mi oficina. So, it's not set as an oficina just yet. Just because like tenemos que comprar como furniture and stuff like that still for that little room in there. So it's kind of cool. So behind me está mi baño y luego over there está mi oficina y luego la puerta para the master bedroom. So les voy a enseñar ahorita. Es un desastre, mis amigas. So this desastre has been out there for like a couple days now because it's just something that I just not forget, but it's just something that I'm just like stressed. Every time I open that closet, it was just a hot mess. So compré unas canastitas that I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and they're super cute. So in my closet I do have one of those cube storage organizer things or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put everything in there and organize it and stuff like that. So déjales muestro, mis amigas, over there what it looks like, because saqué todo, mis amigas, de ese closet, and wow, todavía faltan sacar unas cositas. Pero bueno, mis amigas, les enseño because no se vayan a asustar because it's a hot mess. Aquí les enseño, mira, todo esto, todo lo que ven en el suelo, lo saqué de este closet. So as you guys can see, there's still some stuff, more stuff in there. So todo esto, I have to go through all this junk. I have even globos like that were in there because I saved those globos because we gotta take some pictures or whatever. But anywho, todo esto, mis amigas, this is my mission, mis amigas. My freaking mission. Like, it's insane. Me da dolor de cabeza and it's insane. So, estas canastas right here, mis amigas, van a ir adentro de donde está este mueblecito que está allí. So, estas, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6, it's probably in there. So déjales enseño. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be going like this, like here, because I had it like the other way around. But I'm like, now that I have these cube things, I'm not sure they're gonna be able to open or whatever. So es un desastre, mis amigas. So welcome to the disaster. So I cannot wait to get my hands on here because it's a hot mess. So vamos a comenzar, mis amigas. Yo casi me caigo aquí, mis amigas, porque tanto desastre que hay en este closet. It is so crazy. So, to be honest, desde que nos movimos a esta casa, so basically aventamos todo en este closet because it's basically like my daughter's cuando estaba más pequeña, como sus juguetes and all that fun stuff like crafts and stuff like that. And I kind of tried to organize it a while back, but then como me enfadé, it was kind of like frustrating and annoying because I don't know why, but I keep, well, not keep everything, but you know that I keep some stuff that my daughter can use so she can have fun and stuff like that. So this closet right here, según nosotros, we were gonna use it for other storage and stuff, but we decided to use it as a toy junk storage, right? But anywho, I was just so happy that I had the chance to clean up this closet because it was just so time consuming and I was having such a hard time, mis amigas, like to even start or where to begin. You can even probably see me in some parts of the video that I'm just like zoning out. Like I was just clueless on where everything was gonna go and how I was gonna organize it because everything was everywhere. But I'm just so glad that today was my lucky day that I had the strength to do it. So I did want to share with you guys because I know I'm gonna be getting asked in this video, but oh my gosh, I'm looking in the video and I can see my little perrito. He's right there, mira, justo los globos. He's right there looking at me. My dog, literally, I don't know about you guys, but he's always following me all over the place. Like he just wants to be with me. But anywho, mis amigas, me distraí, mira yo. So okay, mis amigas. So like I was saying. So these baskets that I'm using for this cube shelf right here, I actually bought them at the thrift store. And when I went to the thrift store, I was like, I was debating. I was like, I don't know, should I get them? I was with my daughter and I even asked her, I was like, for her opinion. I was like, Mika, should I get these or what? And she's like, yeah, mommy, you're going to regret it if you don't get them. But, I was like, I don't know why, mis amigas, and this is like the style that I'm always looking for my house, and I love these kind of baskets. Like in my other videos, you guys can see that I have all these baskets everywhere in my house, like everywhere. So I don't even know what the heck I was thinking when I saw them at first at the thrift store. Like, why double think about it, you know? But luckily, I had mi hija, she encouraged me, and I got them. So I did get 6 because there was only 6 of them, and this shelf right here is the 8 lugarcitos de esos, but that's okay. I kind of left like how much, like 2, 3 open, whatever, here, so I can just put like random stuff on there. You guys will see later on how I kind of fixed it, but I'm just so grateful that I got these baskets because they were cheap and they were so cute afterwards. progress. So all of this stuff is gonna go, those over there are empty bins and containers and stuff like that. And then all this stuff is gonna go to the garage. I still have the balloons, and I found this bag here. It's trash. Las cobijas still need to go up there. And my printer. I'm trying to find like a mueblecito right here so I can put like all of my printing stuff in there. My desk is a hot mess. The hoverboard needs to go somewhere else. And you know, so it's looking better. So here we go. It's looking way better. So all this stuff, that stuff goes into another thing inside my closet. This needs to be part to the garage. And this is just like random stuff here. So there's like marcadores and stuff like that. And like that right there is like crayons and markers and pens. And all that stuff is my daughter, so she needs to put that in her room. Like binders and stuff like that. And these things right here, mis amigas. So I recently got these spray bottles. I don't know why they're in here. Oh, it's because they were in one of my baskets. So I got 6 of them, and I just cannot wait to use them. But yeah, so they just look like that. And this is like my daughter's what is this called, like these squishies. I know at one point in life that these were like a thing, so she has a whole bunch of them. So I'm thinking of just kind of like keeping them. I gotta find some, actually some, I don't have some gallon bags, so I would put this stuff in there, but I don't have anything, so that's gonna be there. Take them to the side, but it's looking so much better. That stuff is just gonna stay there, but déjales enseño. So that's how it's looking like in here. So much better and cleaner. I just feel like when stuff are inside bins, it looks so much better. It's put away and stuff like that. So over here, there's some stuff que están colgadas, and up there, I have to get my step stool because I just cannot reach. So that llama is probably gonna stay there. I need to put this stuff, that little stuffy, somewhere else, and kind of like acomodar esas cobijas porque those cobijas are gonna go up there. So, and I'm tired. This is actually so time consuming, mis amigas. Time consuming, but I am doing. By this time of this video, I am near close the end. Like I was near the finish line, mis amigas. Like I was like rooting to myself. Like you guys can probably notice, but estaba super cansada. I was thirsty, and it was kind of warm inside my house, and it was just so tiring. Like stuff like this, mis amigas, like even though I enjoy doing them around my house, cleaning and decluttering and reorganizing and stuff like that, but it's so time consuming, mis amigas. And but you know what, it's something that kind of like, it's like a stress reliever for me. Like it just relieves me so much, and I just love it so much. So let me know, you guys, are you guys the ones that clean because you guys are stressed out or whatever, or just don't do it at all? But because I like to clean. It literally, like, it's something that makes me feel good. cleaning, mis amigas, and I really, really like it, especially if it's my house. I'm able to do it whenever I like and how I like it, a mi manera. So with this being said, I was getting near the end and I was just so happy. Okay, mis amigas, bellísimas. So you guys made it to the end, and I'm so excited because this part I was exhausted. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't really showed you guys this little area in my house, but just because like no está terminado, like my house no está terminada like 100% on how I want it, but ahí me ven que estoy súper cansada, pero así quedó este little cuartito. I'm just so happy. Towards the end, I brought in my daughter and I was like, mija, mira para que vea todo lo que hice, para que veas que yo pues queremos este cuartito que esté todo súper limpio and everything gets put away. And I even opened on how I organized her stuff in this closet, and she was like, wow. She was like, wow, mommy. But yeah, it's nice to kind of have her input and to see how much I did in this closet, because it takes a lot of work, mis amigas, and for it to be ruined, como que no, ¿verdad? So that's why I kind of like told my daughter, I was like, mija, vente para enseñarte, and she was surprised. But sí quedó, mis amigas, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I will talk to you guys to another video, okay? Bye, mis amigas.